Hello, I'm Irene T. Rigon from the DA Philippine Carabao Center. What I love about Miss Tony's training is the message that resonated with me is about kung may problema ka, lumangoy ka lang, wag mong banggain. And that we have the power to rewire our brain. And yung pinakagusto ko rin is yung sinabi niya na mahal tayo ng Diyos. And we have our unique talents and skills and God wanted us to shine. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Marvin Villanueva from the Philippine Carabao Center National Headquarters. Sobrang nakarelate ako dun sa talk ni Miss Tony kasi personally I really had an experience na handling with several teams. And dahil din sa trial and error yung ginawa ko, sana nga naka-attend ako ng ganitong training sooner para mas iayos ko. But then I know it happens for a reason. I really appreciate yung understanding oneself. Yung kasing nakikita mo na behavior nila is just superficial. As an efficient leader, you really need to understand ano yung pinagdadaanan ng bawat miyembro ng team mo and then understand those complexities. Be logical and sundin lang kung ano yung mga binanggit ni Miss Tony dun sa training so that as a team, you will be able to accomplish yung mga targets, deliverables. At the same time, you are maintaining the harmonious relationship among your peers. Maraming salamat.
Hello, I'm Romel Herrera from Philippine Carabao Center, UPLB. What I really enjoyed sa presentation ni Ma'am Tony ay yung sa bridging generations, you combine yung strengths ng boomers, Gen X, Z, tsaka nung millennials. Maganda ang kalalabasan kasi iba-iba yung strengths nila, magko-complement yung different experiences, mas mapapaganda yung targets o yung attainment ng targets. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Talia Mayo Santiago from Philippine Carabao Center. What I love about Miss Tony's training is yung in-emphasize niya po yung O sa Are You Okay, which is yung optimizing connections. In-emphasize niya na we are not made to be alone po but instead to form relationship with other people po, especially given na workplace setting yung meron kami. Mahalaga po na yung teamwork and yung communication with my fellow teammates po ay andon, and if I am needing help, kailangan din mag-asa ko sa mga kasama ko po para mas ma-ensure namin na productive and successful yung mga ginagawa naming outputs po. And also, yung sinasabi po ni Ma'am Tony na dapat hindi natin hayaan na yung emotions natin yung mag-control sa atin. Instead, dapat tayo yung mag-handle nun para maging smooth and productive yung mga araw-araw po nating ginagawa. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Fe Emelda Academia from Philippine Carabao Center. What I love about Miss Tony's training is about the practicing the neuro pathway na kung paulit-ulit mo pala yung banggitin, nagbibigit pala yun ng positive na outcome. At saka yung mga difficulties or yung mga challenges, di po dapat siya babanggain, kundi kung may problema, lalangoyan lang po. So, I would like to share what Miss Tony's lecture today to my colleagues so that they can also learn what is the importance of the engagement, excellence in action. Salamat.
Hello, good afternoon po. I'm Narani Parongo from DA Philippine Carabao Center. What I really love the most about Miss Tony's talk is the one that she discussed, yung pagiging reactive. Very important sa akin, lalo na nasa journey ako ng pagle-lessen ng pagiging reactive ko na makakatulong sa aking buong aspeto ng life ko sa family, lalo na sa work. Yung sinabi niya na pause, reflect, yung apat na yun, talagang favorite ko yun. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Joffrey Rivera Atok of the Philippine Carabao Center at the University of Southern Mindanao. Napakaganda po at napakabigat na mensahe ni Miss Tony dahil ito po ay base sa kanyang karanasan. And yung mga gaps natin sa buhay, mga pagkakamali, pagkukulang, pwede po nating i-correct. Nakita po natin sa kanyang personal na testimony. And yung gap dito na pag tayo'y tumawag at humingi ng tawad sa Diyos sa ating mga pagkakamali na i-correct po natin at mapaganda po natin ang ating buhay maging sa trabaho at sa ating pamilya. God bless po Miss Tony sa inyo. Sana po marami kayong ma-encourage na ibang tao pa. Hanggang sa muli. Wow na wow, Kalabaw!